Forget magnesium powders. The real secret to rebuilding muscle overnight isn't what most people think. You can lift weights, eat all the protein in the world, and take your daily supplements for the next 100 days. But if you skip 2 very specific vitamins at night, your muscles will never repair and grow the way they should. And the older we get, the more critical this becomes. Everyone has heard that magnesium is the muscle growth mineral. But here's the truth. Magnesium alone won't cut it. Instead, there are 2 vitamins that outperform magnesium when it comes to muscle repair while you sleep. And in a moment, I'll reveal exactly what they are, starting with the second best option, and then finishing with the number 1 most powerful choice that most people ignore. I'll also walk you through 3 common supplements you should never take at night if you want maximum recovery and strength gains while you rest. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming health tips. Let's jump in. Vitamin 1. Vitamin D3. The first vitamin to take before bed is vitamin D3. When you get vitamin D3 in the evening, something incredible happens. While you're asleep, vitamin D activates special muscle cell receptors called VDRs. These receptors work like power switches, signaling your muscle fibers to pull in calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals you ate earlier in the day that are absolutely essential for contraction, repair, and strength. But that's not all. Vitamin D3 also boosts your body's natural testosterone production while you're asleep. Testosterone is the hormone that takes the protein from your dinner and actually turns it into new muscle tissue overnight. Without enough vitamin D, this process can slow down by up to 60%, leaving you sore, weak, and struggling to build strength. Vitamin D also reduces inflammation while you rest, meaning your muscles recover quicker and avoid the micro tears and breakdown that come with age. Most capsules contain between 2,000 and 4,000 IU, which is nearly 10 times more than many older adults get from the sun in an entire week. There's strong evidence too. A Harvard study followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels for 8 months. The group who supplemented with vitamin D3 gained almost 3 pounds of muscle, while the non-supplement group barely gained half a pound. Even centuries ago, Viking warriors took cod liver oil during long dark winters to keep their muscles strong. They understood this benefit even without modern science. The best way to take it: have 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 with your evening meal, ideally with healthy fats to improve absorption. For example, enjoy a grilled salmon fillet. Just 4 ounces delivers more vitamin D than most people get in a week. Or roast mushrooms with rosemary and serve with sweet potatoes and a touch of grass-fed butter. For an extra boost, mix cod liver oil into a salad dressing. Finish with a glass of fortified milk before bed, and you'll fuel your body with over 500 IU of vitamin D and the fats needed to absorb it. But here's the key. Vitamin D3 alone isn't enough. If you only take this, you'll see benefits, but not the full picture. That's because it works best when paired with one more supplement. Vitamin number 2, zinc. The second vitamin and the most powerful for overnight muscle growth is zinc. During your deepest sleep cycles, your body releases growth hormones. These hormones are like construction workers that repair and rebuild your muscles. But here's the catch. Growth hormone can't do its job without zinc. Zinc regulates more than 300 enzymes involved in repair. With healthy zinc levels, these enzymes stay active through the night, working 6 to 8 hours straight. Without enough zinc, which nearly 40% of adults over 60 are deficient in, the repair slows by half. Zinc also helps shuttle amino acids, the building blocks of protein, directly into your muscle cells, where they're stitched together into new fibers. This is why people with good zinc levels wake up less stiff and sore compared to those who are deficient. Most supplements provide 15 to 30 milligrams per capsule, about 3 times what the average older adult gets from food alone. But here's the surprising part. Most doctors don't even test for zinc deficiency, and without it, you can eat protein all day long and still fail to build muscle. A University of Michigan study tracked 120 older adults with zinc deficiency. After 12 weeks, those who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily boosted muscle protein synthesis by 34% and cut recovery time by 40%. Researchers even discovered that zinc flips genetic switches that tell muscles to grow and repair. This isn't new knowledge either. Thousands of years ago, Egyptian doctors used zinc-rich treatments to heal wounds and restore warrior strength. For best results today, take your zinc supplement with a full glass of water about 2 hours before bedtime. What not to take at night? Now, while vitamin D3 and zinc are amazing for overnight recovery, there are 3 supplements you should absolutely avoid at night. Why? Because they actually interfere with your body's natural repair cycle. Vitamin number 1. B-complex vitamins. B vitamins are often promoted for energy, nerve health, and metabolism. They're great in the morning, but terrible at night. Why? Because they stimulate your nervous system, raise your heart rate slightly, and make you more alert. That's the exact opposite of what your body needs to enter deep, restorative sleep. A 2019 review in Sleep Medicine found that older adults who took B vitamins at night had lower melatonin, less deep sleep, and reduced muscle repair. The takeaway? Take your B complex with breakfast, never at bedtime. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for immunity and healing, but it's a poor choice before bed. Why? Because it's a strong antioxidant. At night, your muscles need just the right amount of oxidative stress to trigger repair and growth. If you load up on vitamin C, you block this signal. Research shows that high antioxidant intake at night blunts the mTOR pathway, the body's main muscle-building mechanism. On top of that, vitamin C can be stimulating, raising norepinephrine levels and making sleep more restless. Number 3. Caffeine. This one may seem obvious, but it's worth repeating. Caffeine has no place in your evening routine. Beyond coffee, caffeine hides in pre-workouts, teas, and even multivitamins. At night, it raises cortisol and blocks adenosine, preventing your brain from relaxing into deep sleep. A 2020 study in nutritional neuroscience showed that older adults who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost nearly 30% more muscle compared to those who avoided it, even though both groups ate the same protein. The lesson is simple. Keep caffeine for the morning and avoid B vitamins and vitamin C at night. If you want your protein and collagen to actually repair your muscles overnight, forget magnesium. Instead, focus on vitamin D3 and zinc at bedtime and cut out the 3 nighttime troublemakers: B complex, vitamin C, and caffeine. So, which of these have you been taking at the wrong time without realizing it? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I read every single one, and I'd love to know how this has affected your progress. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.